Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Good evening to all, respected one on the ties and your students. Today we explore a fascinating hadith that despite death finality provides a ray of hope. This lovely quote from our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam illustrates the way to eternal reward and offer consolation and motivation. وعن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا مات ابن آدم انقطع عمله إلا من ثلاثة صدقة جارية أو علم ينتفع به أو ولد صالح يدعو له. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu reported that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when a man dies, his deeds come to an end except for three. 1. Sadaqah Jariyah, beneficial knowledge, and a righteous child who pray for him. The hereafter, where the soul's journey continues, however, in a different environment, is vividly depicted in this hadith. It emphasizes the enduring importance of three particular deeds that have an impact that goes beyond the death and limitations of this world. Let us examine each of these immortal actions. 1. Constant charity. The term Sadaqat Jariyah describes humanitarian deeds that bring a lifelong benefit. It includes a broad range of charitable endeavors like building a mosque, excavating a well, planting trees, etc. Sadaqat Jariyah eternal quality is what makes it so beautiful. Even after their death, the giver still receives the benefits of such deeds. It serves as a lighthouse of hope that illuminates the way to paradise and is a proof of the strength of giving. 2. Beneficial knowledge. Knowledge is a valuable resource and a gift from God that strengthens people and communities. The significance of acquiring or disseminating knowledge was underscored by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who said, "The ink of a scholar is more sacred than the blood of martyrs." We help others improving intellectually and spiritually by sharing our expertise with them. And 3. Good adolescent. A good Islamic upbringing is the most valuable gift a parent can give their children. A child raised according to Islamic principle is a source of great happiness and reward. They might ask Allah for forgiveness on their parents and mercy on their parents' behalf by interceding in their prayers. It takes endurance, patience, and strong dedication to Islamic principle to raise morally upright children. We are investing our children's future and our own everlasting happiness when we teach them to adore Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The deep message conveyed by the hadith we have studied today is that our action in this life can influence our fate in next. By adopting these three admirable actions, we can leave a legacy of light that illuminates the way to paradise and make an impression that lasts long after we are gone. Recall that although we only have a certain duration of time on this planet, the benefits of our deeds may last a lifetime. May Allah give us the courage and discernment to carry out this admirable action and benefit from them as well as the next. Ameen. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.